Good morning, seventh graders. And so Max and I are going to just finish out our last video today with you with chapter 2. And this is actually for me even the last one with you guys for a little while. Mr. Terpstra is going to take over starting on Thursday and do some chapter 3 integers with you. So I just thought, why not say a little farewell with Max before we go today. And yeah, I'll probably see you back. I will see you back after we get through chapter 3 on integers. So let's take a look at what you're doing today. So obviously you're taking your test, and I have some good news for you, or we have some good news for you. You are actually going to be able to use your notes and your book today. So we decided to let that happen. We know that this is a hard test. And so, we did a good job throughout chapter 2, just, going through lessons, giving you notes, how to do the problems, step by step, lots of different hints. And I know at the same time, even though we did all that, it can be confusing. So I just want you to keep in mind as you work today, though, on your test, there's 20 questions, just like you saw in the practice test. You do need to make sure that you're using lined paper. As usual, you should be using that to work the problems out. That's the best way to do it. Please make sure you take the time to show the work and show the steps, and so you understand it. And then I would use, let me just bring this up, go back into lesson 6. This is lesson 6 right here, where we did some of these example problems on tax and tip and total cost and total bill. We worked a lot of these out together, right? So you can go back in your book and look at any of those examples that we did. And then same thing with lesson 7 and lesson 8, right? So you have the book at your disposal today to use. Okay, sorry about that. I paused the video. Obviously, Max was getting a little too loud. So here we go again. Again, use the book to help you out with problems that you need for lesson 6, 7, 8 as you need as you go through the problems. So lucky day, because that doesn't always happen. You don't always get to use your book and your notes. This is actually a first. And so since you get to use your book today and your notes, there are, of course, no retakes on the test. You have plenty of notes to use in front of you to take the test today, okay? So no retakes, one time only. So knowing this is it, please make sure that you are double checking your answers before you submit today. Remaining time, just make sure your chapter 2 assignments are in. That could be your quick checks and your practice tests that we've done in chapter 2. After today, they will be closed for the chapter, because again, we're starting chapter 3 on Thursday. If you still have time after the test, I would go into ALEKS. I'd use today to make some progress on that. Every Wednesday, you're supposed to do 15 minutes anyways. And then you're supposed to have 30 minutes by the end of the week. And I put grades in specifically for me. I'm not sure about Mr. Terpstra and Mr. Whalen, but I put in grades for ALEKS for last week. And there's still quite a few of you that are not achieving the 30 minutes. And so really, after you take the test today with that time remaining, that's what you should be working on. That's what you should be spending some time on. And then hopefully you get a little bit done today, 15 minutes tomorrow on Wednesday, and you can finish the week with your 30 minutes by Sunday. So good luck today. Please, I always say, take your time, show the work, and check your answers before you hit submit. Like I said, I'm signing off for a little while. Mr. Terpstra is going to take over on Thursday. And so I'll see you back at some point with some lessons, but enjoy your day, and I'll see you soon.